What is the difference between rabbit and hare? Rabbit and hare, two names often used interchangeably, but these animals are quite different. Imagine spotting a small, fluffy rabbit hopping around your backyard. Now, picture a larger, leaner hare sprinting across an open field. They may look similar at first glance, but rabbits and hares have distinct characteristics that set them apart. In this video, we'll dive into the world of these creatures, exploring their physical differences, behaviors, and habitats. By the end, you'll be able to easily tell a rabbit from a hare and appreciate the unique qualities of each. When comparing rabbits and hares, their physical differences are quite noticeable once you know what to look for. First, let's talk about size. Hares are generally larger than rabbits. They have longer ears and bigger hind legs, making them excellent runners. This helps hares escape from predators in open fields where they usually live. Next, let's look at their fur. Hares have longer, coarser fur, which often changes color with the seasons. For example, many hares turn white in winter to blend in with the snow. Rabbits, on the other hand, have softer, shorter fur that stays the same color year-round. This makes them well-suited for hiding in dense vegetation or underground burrows. Another key difference is in their newborns. Hares are born fully furred, with their eyes open, and are ready to hop around within hours of birth. This is crucial for survival in the open where they are born. In contrast, rabbits are born hairless, blind, and completely dependent on their mothers for the first few weeks. They stay hidden in burrows until they are stronger and more developed. Rabbits and hares, despite their similarities, exhibit distinct behavioral differences. Let's start with their nesting and living habits. Hares prefer open fields and prairies, where they create simple nests on the ground called forms. These forms are little more than shallow depressions in the grass, providing minimal protection from predators. In contrast, rabbits are more sophisticated builders. They dig complex burrow systems known as warrens, which offer safety and shelter. These warrens can have multiple entrances and exits, making it easier for rabbits to escape danger. When it comes to social behavior, rabbits are the more social of the two. They live in groups called colonies, which can help them protect each other from predators and share resources. Hares, on the other hand, are more solitary creatures. They prefer to live alone, except during mating season or when mothers are raising their young. Activity patterns also differ between these two animals. Hares are generally more active during the day, using their long legs to run swiftly and evade predators. Rabbits, however, are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the early morning and late evening hours. This helps them avoid many of their natural predators, who are either diurnal or nocturnal. Now, let's talk about their diets. Both rabbits and hares are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. However, their food choices vary a bit. Hares typically munch on tougher, woody vegetation like bark and twigs. Their strong teeth help them chew through this hard food. Rabbits, however, go for softer greens. They enjoy grasses, leafy weeds, and garden vegetables if they can find them. Rabbits and hares have different life cycles and reproduction habits. Hares have a longer gestation period of about 42 days, compared to rabbits' 30 days. Hares give birth to a few well-developed young called babies, which are born with fur and open eyes, ready to hop around soon after birth. In contrast, rabbits give birth to more, less developed young called kits, which are born hairless and blind, needing a lot of care. Hares are more independent from birth, while rabbit kits depend on their mothers. This difference helps hares adapt to open environments, and rabbits thrive in more sheltered habitats. While rabbits and hares may seem alike, they differ greatly in physical traits, behavior, and habitats. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the unique qualities of each. Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.